In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Handelsbanken online banking account specifically for customers in the Netherlands, whether you're using it for personal banking or managing corporate finances. Following these steps will help you access your account effortlessly and securely. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to the Handelsbanken Netherlands website. You can easily find this by typing handelsbanken.nl into your browser's address bar. Once the site loads, look for the Login button prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking on this will present you with an option to choose between online personal banking or online corporate banking. Be sure to select the appropriate category that fits your needs. Now, it's time to decide on your preferred login method. Handelsbanken offers you three convenient methods: the cable-connected card reader with a logon card, the card reader without a cable, which utilizes one-time codes, or the QR reader method. Each method is secure and straightforward, but it's essential to choose the one that suits you best and that you feel most comfortable with. If your chosen method requires it, enter your logon card number. This number is typically 16 digits long, and it's crucial for verifying your identity before proceeding further. Make sure you have your logon card handy so you can input this information accurately. At this point, you'll need to interact with your card reader or logon card to generate the necessary response codes. For those using the non-cable mode, your reader will first prompt you to input a challenge number from the login page, followed by your PIN. It will then generate a response code. Alternatively, if you're using the QR reader method, you'll need to scan the QR code displayed on your screen and then obtain the response code from your reader. Once your response code is ready, it's time to input this back on the login screen. Be careful to type in this code correctly to avoid any errors. After entering the code, click on Log On, and if everything is in order, you should be successfully logged into your account. Once inside, you'll have access to all the features and functionalities the online banking service offers. You'll be able to view your account balances, make payments, and manage your finances with ease. Remember, safeguarding your login details and response codes is vital for maintaining your account's security. Never share these with anyone, and always ensure you log out after finishing your session, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. By following these steps, you can enjoy the convenience and security of managing your finances through Handelsbanken's online banking service. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more online banking tips and advice.